Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll be looking about arithmetic operators. The plus for addition, minus for subtraction, divide for division, multiply for multiplication, and modulus for remainder. In this video, we'll be looking one after another. I'll define two variables that the operators will be working on them. And my first variable will be declared as int a equals to 11, and another one int b equals to 2. You can define your variables according to any names, but follow the rules to define identifiers. And then I'll add this line of code to print the result. The result is, and then here the result will be printed, and then add end line. So my mathematics I will write my mathematics in this space. So let's start with the plus. If I write here a plus b and try to run this program, the result is 13. This because 2 plus 11 is equal to 13. But if I put minus and compile and run this program, now the result is 9. Why? Because if I take 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Another is divide. So if I take 11 divided by 2, let's try to compile it. The result is 5. And that is because if you divide integer and integer in C++, the result will be integer. What if I want to give it as 5.5? I should convert one value, and to convert value we call it type conversion. I will surround any value and write a data type I want to convert it to. Now this time a will be converted to float, and then if I divide float by integer, the answer will be float and not integer again. As seen, now the result is 5.5. Another operator is asterisk that used for multiplication. If I change this to multiplication, now the result is equal to 22. And the last one, if I use modular sign, this will divide, and then in modulus there is no need to convert it, and then this will divide the number and give the remainder. So if I divide 11 by 2, it will go by 5, and the remainder will be 1. Let's try to learn. As you see, the remainder is 1. What if I divide by 3? Run again. Now the remainder will be 2. Why? Because by 3 is equal to 9, and the remainder will be 2. What if I divide by 2 and the number is 10? 2 divide 10 evenly to get 5, so the remainder will be 0. That's all. So arithmetic operators in C++, they are used to perform arithmetic operation as normal mathematics. We have plus for addition, minus for subtraction, divide for division, multiply or asterisk for multiplication, and modulus find reminders. You may practice more with the arithmetic operators to perform more mathematics. See you on the next lesson.